Greetings, Chair Zuckerman and members of the board. I'm Amy Fimbel, Project Manager of Capital Improvements. I'm here today to seek your approval for the First Amendment to HDR Engineering's Task Order 19-002 to perform the design of the Main and Fairview transit stops. Main Street and Fairview Ave serve as important transit and bicycle corridors through CCDC's 30th Street Urban Renewal District. In 2019, ACHD completed a microseal project on Main Street and Fairview Avenue, which included restriping the lanes to make room for buffered bike lanes. The welcomed addition of buffered bike lanes came with unforeseen lane crossing conflicts between buses and bikes at each transit stop. CCDC hired HDR to design 7 bus stops along Main and Fairview between Whitewater Park Boulevard and North 16th Street to eliminate the safety issues and improve transit system efficiency. The graphic on the left of this slide shows the 7 predetermined stop locations that the project originally assumed. Once the project is complete, buses will be able to make in-lane stops on Main and Fairview without disrupting the flow of the bike lane through the use of transit islands. The graphic on the right of this slide shows what an example transit island looks like with the bike lane routed behind it next to the sidewalk. In June 2020, CCDC hired HDR from the on-call pool to produce a final design by end of January 2021. HDR's scope included survey, design, public involvement, and bidding support tasks necessary to develop the stop improvements, along with the associated pedestrian and bike facilities. Stop locations were predetermined as part of Valley Regional Transit's State Street alternative analysis that is currently underway. After the schematic design was complete, the project team decided to move the location of one of the stops to better accommodate bus movements. This First Amendment includes additional design and survey necessary to complete the design of the newly located stop. If approved by the board, the original task order 19-002 not to exceed amount of $98,785 would be amended by Resolution 1679 to the amount of $101,495. Due to the amended task order's fee amount exceeding the executive director's independent spending authority, staff is requesting board approval of the proposed amendment. The 30th Street District GL account sufficiently funds this amended task order. The project includes a 7-month design schedule to produce construction drawings. We met with property owners once before we started the design and will be meeting with them again later this month to share the updated schematic design. CCDC plans to put the project out to bid in the spring of 2021 with construction to follow in summer 2021. On this slide is the suggested motion for Resolution 1679. Reminder that this is a consent agenda item that you won't be seeing it presented at October's board meeting. If you have any questions, please let John know so he can answer them for you prior to the board meeting. Thank you.